Here we go. So welcome back, everyone. We're live on Facebook, so hi to everybody out there. Like us and follow us. We're going to be sharing the show right afterwards. I have my next guest with me. She's also a newbie with me. I have with me Sheree Wright, and she is a managing partner of IBF Law Group. Welcome to the show. Tell everybody a little bit about yourself. Get her right up on the mic because you got a lower voice. And tell everybody a little bit about your law group.
Well, we specialize in immigration, business, and family law. We're downtown Phoenix, and that's basically what we do. We cater to a wide variety of individuals in the community, and that's our goal. Our goal is to cater to.
So, but you specialize in a certain area. What is that?
Immigration. Well, I'm an immigrant myself. I'm from Jamaica, and so my passion is a natural passion that I have for immigrants. And so specializing in immigration law is just something that comes so natural to me. When it comes to family law, that was the area of law that I focused on more when I was in law school. And then business law, I actually got an LLM in business, sports law, and business, and so they all just come together, they merge together, and that's why I'm who I am today.
They do. And so how long have you been here?
In Arizona. I moved here in 2015 from Chicago, Illinois.
Yeah, but you're an immigrant who came
Yes.
here, and I think it's such an important thing for people who do need these services,
Yes.
right? Who is your client?
Yes. A lot of my clients are immigrants, actually. A lot of my clients are immigrants, individuals from underserved communities, minorities, and those are the demographics I cater to, and it's been very successful in that manner. So
Now, when you work with people, are you valley-wide?
we are value-wide. I am licensed to practice in Arizona and New Mexico.
And you're rated with the Better Business Bureau. You are also, you can be seen on Facebook and Instagram at IBF Law Group, right? So you can check her out there as well. You do free consultations, free 15-minute consultations.
Yes.
When people are talking about this, whether it's immigration, a lot of people are, obviously moving here. They're going to want to move here, especially now. And also, we have people who are starting new businesses right now. We also have a lot of people fighting right now, right? When we
Yes.
talked a little bit about family law and all this. But for all of the different areas, when it looks like, what does it look like when someone sits down and talks to you? What is the first thing that they need to get from you?
If they have a case, in any situation, even if it's in immigration, business, or family law, they want to know if they have a case. And so that 15-minute consultation will definitely cover a lot of the the areas that need to be covered, just to make them feel secure.
Now, the phone number to call her direct at 602-833-1110. They're rated with the Better Business Bureau, valley-wide. They do free 15-minute consultations, and like anything else, it starts off with that consultation. Maybe it's you, maybe it's someone that immigration, huge right now. Business law, like I said, a lot of people have a lot of questions right now, starting their own businesses, and obviously family law as well. You can check it out on their website. It is ibflaw.com. Now, some of the other things that I wanted to go into in terms of business, I'm going to actually ask you that real quickly. For anyone that could it be just starting a business? Can you help them with like an LLC and all the things that they need to start one?
Yes, I'll help them incorporate their business from the ground up. I also help in terms of intellectual property, trademarking, and so forth. Those are the aspects that we cover in business as well.
Write the number down because I know you need it. This is what's happening now. People don't understand that when you start a business, it's not just hanging it on, your phone number out there and getting on Google. It's more than that. You need to make sure that you're covered in all the areas. And the number to call her direct at 602-833-1110. That website is ibflaw.com. Immigration, okay? I myself, because I'm not an immigrant, I don't understand all of that. What does that entail?
Oh, it entails so much. There's immigrants who are in the detention centers right now. We represent them. Those are called deportation defenses. They're individuals who come in as families married to an immigrant spouse. We adjust their status. There is individuals who are in immigration court but are out, and we help them through their immigration proceedings. So.
And the best time for them to call is when?
Is anytime that there is an emergency. Anytime they can call anytime, Monday through Friday, from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay, what's an emergency with something like this?
Oh, there's always some kind of emergency. Sometimes ICE picks up their family members and they need to get answers right now, and that's an emergency. So there is someone to answer. If I can't be found, they will leave a message or they'll try to track me down.
That phone number to call is 602-833-1110. It's IBFlaw.com. They do free 15-minute consultations, and she's rated with the Better Business Bureau. Valley-wide, you can also check her out at Instagram and Facebook at IBF Law Group as well. Family law, let's talk a little bit about that.
Family law. That's a big thing right now for us at the firm.
All of you people that have been stuck with your family.
Yes.
Lots of fighting going on.
Lots of fighting, dissolution of marriage, custody battles, enforcement actions. Those are the things that we cover right now. I see a spike in dissolution of marriage.
It's unfortunate, but it's happening.
Very unfortunate.
The best thing to do is to work with you on, just starting off with that. Again, it always starts off with that. When you work with somebody, do you work on mediation or anything like that as well?
Yeah, the first thing that we want to do is try to get it at that level where we don't have to go to trial, because it gets really expensive. And our aim is it's not just to take money from our clients. Our aim is to try to preserve what they have in their resources, because that's why divorces are going on right now. You want what you want from your significant other. Arizona is a community property state, so we're trying to preserve their money as well. So mediation is always a route.
So let me ask you this in terms of money, because you mentioned it's expensive. How do you work with your clients in terms of the billing part?
So in terms for family law is on a retainer, and it's an hourly fee. Immigration is a flat fee. Business is on an hourly fee. Sometimes it can be flat fee as well.
And sometimes you said you work on a contingency depending on the situation?
Contingency basis. So we also do a lot of, accidents, personal injury claims.
So you're full service.
Very full service, yes, very. I would say that.
It's important to say that because, they need to know all the areas, but you specialize in these 3 areas.
And then personal injury is something that we do. 10% of our cases are personal injury cases.
Okay, and you can check them out on their website. It's IBFlaw.com. Again, they're rated with the Better Business Bureau. They're valley-wide. They do free 15-minute consultations. Her number to call is 602-833-1110. When it comes to immigration, speaking to an immigrant herself, because you can relate to these people. I think that's important for them to understand that, and that you came here and you started your own life, right? And that you were one of them then yourself. So you want to speak to somebody who can really understand. She's walked the talk, right?
Exactly.
That number to call again, 602-833-1110. Your client, when we talk about these people, and you said that they're pretty much, almost from any walk, but your typical client is who?
Immigrants. Underserved individuals who are underserved in the community.
In any of those areas, or just mostly on the immigrant?
Nope, just individuals who are underserved, who are minorities. Those are the interests and the people that I protect the most.
Well, we've been talking a little bit about underserved people lately, right?
Exactly.
And so it's nice to know that there are people out there like you that are there for them as well.
Yes.
There are, and it's important that people get the word out about this, and that's what I love about my show the most. It's information for people, and what I like about networking is that it's all about telling someone, if maybe it's for you, maybe it's not, maybe you know somebody about it. Check them out on the website. It's IBFlaw.com, and they do free 15-minute segments. 15 minutes, that's what I do. No, 15-minute consultations, and they're rated with the Better Business Bureau valley-wide. You can also check them out on Facebook and Instagram at IBF Law Group as well. Your reputation, it means a lot to you. Let's talk a little bit about that and how you look and how you work with your clients.
Well, my reputation across the valley is I'm 5-star all over, and it's just because we don't really take every case. I want to make sure that I get the results that I get, and I want to keep my reputation there. I'm a young attorney. I started a firm on my own, and I have employees, so I just want to make sure that my reputation is everything. So if you check me out online, on Yelp, on Google, 5 stars all across the board, Thumbtack 5 stars. I'm also named one of the top business entrepreneurs on Yahoo Business Finance.
Well, congratulations to that. Kudos to you.
Thank you so much. So that's my reputation. I try to maintain that. So I try to give the client their results and try to be realistic with them as well.
I think what's really important about what you said is that being that you're 5-star rating and that you want to make sure that you give them the results that they're looking for. Having that consultation with you is where it starts, because you want to make sure that you're taking on a case, and it's all about the case. And it doesn't matter whether it's a personal injury,
Yes.
or it's also about your family. It's also about immigration and business. It's all about the case. They all have cases. So you have a consultation with you, and you start with there, and then they find out what can they do for you. It's not about just taking on cases. It's about finding out what she can do for you and making sure that she can give you the results that she's looking for and for you. Again, that number to call her is 602-833-1110. She's rated with the Better Business Bureau. You can check her out on her website. It's IBFlaw.com. Again, 602-833-1110.
Good job. That sounded very good.